In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a corporation tax journal entry in your accounting software with an easy-to-follow process. This step-by-step guide will help you accurately document this important financial activity, ensuring that your books are balanced and up-to-date. So, let's dive into how to create a manual journal for your corporation tax. First, you'll want to navigate to the accounting section of your software interface. This is typically found in the main menu or dashboard, and it serves as the central hub for all of your financial data and transactions. Once you're there, you'll look for an option labeled Manual Journals. This area allows you to enter and adjust financial records that may not have been automatically captured by the system, giving you the flexibility to customize entries as needed. After accessing the Manual Journals section, the next step is to initiate a new journal entry. You should see a button or link that says New Journal. Clicking on this will open a fresh form where you'll be able to input the specific details of your corporation tax entry. Now let's move on to filling in the journal lines with the appropriate financial information. This is crucial because it ensures that your expenses and liabilities are correctly recorded and accounted for. On the debit side, you'll need to input the corporation tax expense account. This account will reflect the tax amount that your corporation has incurred as part of its expenses. Make sure to enter the exact amount of the tax to accurately reflect your financial obligations. Next, on the credit side, you'll input the corporation tax liability or payable account. This entry essentially mirrors the debit entry, highlighting the liability that your corporation must recognize. Again, ensure the amount is identical to what you've entered in the debit field, as this will help maintain the balance in your accounts, following the double entry accounting principle. Once both lines have been filled out correctly, ensuring that the debit and credit amounts match, it's time to finalize the entry by posting the journal. Posting is essentially the process of officially recording the entry into the ledgers, ensuring that everything is accounted for both in your expenses and liabilities. Look for a button or option labeled Post or something similar, which will confirm the action and integrate the information into your financial records. By following these steps, you will have successfully created a manual journal entry for your corporation tax, maintaining precise and organized financial records. Remember, regular updates and reviews of your financial data not only help in compliance with tax regulations, but also provide valuable insights into your business's financial health. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clearer and more approachable for you.